lil Samira Kawki.
Secret card that David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? When it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the barefoot king composing hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 well, maybe there's another word, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. And it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a call, and it's a broken hallelujah.
Kif jgħidu faqat li